When we do formulation, we either measure in an existing sample with a spectrophotometer or we use a digital value. In the software, the components are calculated and we receive a recipe. This recipe is sent to the dispenser to receive the bucket that we need to print. Then we print. After the printing, we measure again with a spectrophotometer to verify that the result is within specification. If it is not yet, then we do a correction. The software calculates what is missing. We do again a reprint and we correct to that final result.